Famous writers. There are many famous writers around the world. Let's look at two important writers. William Shakespeare was a famous playwright in England. He was born in the small town of Stratford-upon-Avon in the year 1564. Shakespeare attended school, most likely in Stratford. When he was 18, he married a local woman, Anne Hathaway. They had 3 children. A few years later, he moved to London. He had great success there, working as a playwright. Shakespeare is considered one of the greatest writers of the English language. He is the national poet of England, too. Professor Mukhtar Avezov was born on the 28th of September 1897 in Semi, Kazakhstan. When he was at university, he wrote his first play, Enlik Gebek, in 1917 at the age of 20. After meeting his wife Raihan, he was accepted to continue studying at Leningrad State University in Russia. There he learnt many languages. He even translated Nikolai Gogol and Shakespeare into Kazakh. As the years passed, he became very famous. Today, many places in Kazakhstan are named after him. His most famous work is a long novel called Abay Joli. Do you know any other famous writers? Who is your favorite?